What's up, people? It's Saturday. I don't have a trading vlog for you this week, so I wanted to do a quick recap. This is really the best way for me to stay consistent with the content, not really think about it too much. I'd rather just get in front of the camera, get it all out, process my thoughts, because I'm trying to make sense of what I'd done on Wednesday as well. So we're going to run through the trades. Started off the day, first position long, decided to cut it. Decided to go short, got stopped out for a small loss. Market was going long, saw that I missed out the opportunity. This was a bad trade right here. I knew it was going to squeeze. I still felt compelled to take this trade. It was a small loss. What was it? $400, so not so small. I started to position short. So I started adding size here. We got a leg down, started coming back. I also added more lots, so I think I had quite a bit of size on, maybe about 10 lots. We got this leg up here, so it was a bit of stress going through here. Overall, I thought we was ready to make the move down. I made the amateur mistake of setting my stop at a very obvious point. I didn't give it enough room to breathe. Got stopped out, so I re-entered short again actually, I forgot. We made some profit off this move here. Trying to position short again, got stopped out, small loss maybe. Yeah, $81. I'm now thinking the market's going long. I start positioning 3 lots, 2 lots, 5 lots, 10 lots, 10 lots. That's a lot of lots and quite a big size, ready for a big move. Just got stopped out, fearful, $300 loss, but I scaled in aggressively, prematurely. I didn't give the trade enough room to breathe. Obviously, I was frustrated with this. I'm actually still trying to take it long right here. So taking some small profits here. I took it short here. I take it long here and got some profits up here. And anyway, it's a fucking mess. It's a fucking mess. And what I was trying to say is by the time I got to here, and this is, what time was this? This was like in the US session, deep into the US session. It's 3 in the morning here, guys. I'm break even. I should have just forgot about it because I haven't really done any damage today. I'm actually in profit, but because I went through all this mess and stress, mismanaging positions, leaving so much profit on the table, cheating myself out of trades, exactly like last week, because of fear, because of not accepting my mistakes, I decided at the end of the day to go short, one position, no scaling, 10 lots. That decision fatigue set in. I couldn't even sleep. I was like, no, the market has got to pay me. The market has got to pay me for all this stress and time that I've spent on it. And this is the big mistake. And then I gave away 2% at the end of the day. So back to where I was at the start of the week. Next day, trying to position myself short again. I've put on a lot of size by now. Same thing happens, exactly like how it happened yesterday. I know the market's going short. This is the 1 minute chart, by the way. So by the time I go through this choppy zone, I get out with a small profit. And then I try to go short again by the looks of it. Yeah, I tried to go short, got to break even again. News comes along, I've missed the move. I don't think I was in a position to hold the trade. And the news dumped. This time I reacted straight away. I was pissed off. These were small trades. I think I was not stupid enough to size up. I knew I was reacting out of anger. So I got stopped out, break even with this trade. I can't remember where I was here. Maybe I was in a little bit of profit for the day. Friday, so this was yesterday, scaling into a short. So I scaled into the position above the 0-0 level. This is a good example of an uncomfortable trade, but I had solid conviction on. So a lot of people will look at this, they're like, where's the entry? Where's the pullback? How can I get in? Like what? Even if you know you're going short, you're not executing, you're frustrating yourself on the way down. Your fear is that price is gonna pop, take you out. When you're able to recognize which side the fear is on, it's usually a good time to execute and start making decisions and not hesitating. So I was scaling in. I had about 10 lots on this trade. I was hoping there was going to be a development in the trade pre-news, but it didn't come across. So I lightened my position and I moved my stop, and just by a tad got stopped out, missed this move. So exactly what happened the day before. But the difference was this time I've witnessed the move. I've sat in the discomfort of knowing I've left so much profit on the table, and I am angry and I am mad at myself, but I'm sitting and trying to be mindful, trying to calm my mind down and work out where the market's going next. I enter a good short move here, and yeah, I got stopped out with some small profit. And literally my target was basically bottom of the move, 26.60, 26.65. So we're finally out of drawdown. It's been a tough 3 weeks. I didn't get off to a great start with this $1 million challenge. I did come into this year all guns blazing, probably a little bit unprepared mentally. I have put myself under a bit of pressure. I think somebody commented last week that I'm not ready for this amount of challenges, and they're probably not wrong, to be honest, but I'm going to keep pushing forward. Trading is not perfect. It's not easy. It's not always going to look clean. I couldn't blame people for looking at the week I just had and saying, you know, Matt, you don't even know what the hell you're doing. You're a mess. Stop trading these challenges. I know there might be a couple new people to this channel. I have done this zero to funded series 3 times in the past. That's the only content I make. To be honest, I'm not great at explaining things or making teaching or educational videos. I'm just documenting the journey. I have passed every time though. I'm 3-0 at the moment, so 4th time lucky? I don't know. I'm going to give myself about 50-50. Obviously, if I pass these challenges and get funded 7 figures, I'm going to be putting myself in a very good position. I can only try my best. I appreciate all the love and support you guys give me, as always. Documenting the journey as well gives me another purpose to do better. Learn and grow. That's what I got to just focus on. So I'll see you guys then. Love.